March 18th, 2024. I don't know, about after 3, US Highway 27, just north of Gore, Georgia. These people drive like lunatics. But check out this rock face. Now this was on the bottom of the ocean millions of years ago. I think the Appalachian Range was pushed up something like 300 million years ago. Look at this rock structure. It's almost crystalline in places. Really interesting. I'm going to take these two pieces. We're going to walk up the road a little bit because just right up through here, then it turns dramatically into much shallower layers, much thinner layers. I said, look at that, the way that is. I am not a geologist, do not know anything about this stuff, or very little, but you can see all these rocks have, these fragments have come off the hill. And see right here now, look at the layering. Five, 6-inch. Some nice red buds. Red buds are blooming all over Georgia. And see further up, you've got 1, 2, 3-inch layers, each representing millions of years. It'd be very interesting to know how many millions. If a geologist, I guess they would know. And these holes, were they something that got embedded in the sediment and then over the millions of years disintegrated? We're working our way up to a large hole up here. Still a good 100 yards away up there. But yeah, the water oozing out between the layers. And see inside the rock. Something must have been encapsulated and then disintegrated over the years. That's my best guess. And I could be way off. I don't know. So you've got 4 to 6-inch layers, and then you've got some 1.5, 2-inch layers. This stuff could crumble off. It's not safe probably to be here, or not overly safe. I wouldn't want to be camping out under some of this, because obviously it does come down. Let's work our way on up here. So we are south of Summerville. Summerville's up over the top of Mac White Gap up there, Taylor Ridge Range. You're seeing at the angles the sediment was pushed up at. Almost like layers of brick. And then you have the wide expanse. Okay, let's walk on up to that large hole up there. Yeah, I don't even like walking alongside the road here. People have gotten where they drive like lunatics everywhere I go. Of course, the speed limit's 65 here, so. Yeah, but just look at that wall and all those layers. How deep do those layers go? Lunatics, I say, lunatics. I guess I'm the lunatic for walking alongside the road, huh? Now, I stopped and got pictures of this before these trees got so big. These little, I think these are slash pines. They're about worthless. Prickly like a Scotch pine. That'd be a good place for something to live, I guess. Okay, we're going to be wrapping this up. I will get a picture, a still picture of that. And the different colors, different minerals in the rock.